let's talk about the chords we need for this song. All right, so first of all, just a standard G chord for this one. So that's 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, open on the 2nd, and then 1st string, 3rd fret. You strum all 6, and then you need a D add 9. All right, so that's kind of like a C, which is cool, but you move it up to the 5th fret, 5th string. So that's 3rd fret, or I'm sorry, 3rd finger, 5th fret, 5th string, 2nd finger, 4th fret, 4th string, and then 1st finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And you strum from the 5th string down. It kind of gives it kind of a cooler sound that's not so boring as the regular D. It just kind of gives it a little bit of a different vibe. And then your regular E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. All right, and then you've got a C major, regular C, so 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd, 1st fret, 2nd string, from the 5th down, and then we also do a C major 7th in there, which is the exact same shape, but you lift up your index, and you strum from the 5th string down. Now we have a bar chord, but I'm going to give you a workaround for it. You got B minor, all right? So that's 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, pinky on the 4th fret, 3rd string, middle finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and your index bars from the 5th string down. And you strum those. Now, if the bar chords are too much for you right now, you can put your index finger on the 2nd fret. You can keep your same shape here with 3, 4, and 2, and then you put your index finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and you strum from the 4th string down. That's kind of a workaround for that B minor bar chord, okay? And then you've got a regular C again, all right? So those are literally all the chords you have for this song. So let's talk about the chords and the strumming pattern for the intro. All right, so I'm gonna kind of palm you a little bit here, and that's where you kind of get your hand, like this bit of your palm, you pull it back here on your bridge, all right? And if you're not used to that, it's gonna feel really weird because you lose a little bit of range of motion here. But if you get used to it, it'll be really good because it adds dynamic to your playing. And if you want to be a great guitar player, you got to kind of get good at changing the volumes at which you're playing things, okay? So the one way to do that is by palm muting. So we're going to do that a little bit. And most of the strumming is a down. On the and of 4, I come up every once in a while. So I'm going to start on this G. It's going to go, and it's a measure of each chord here. So you got a G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your D, add 9, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, but we're going to do the C major 7th, so that's the C with no index, and it's a measure of each, so I'll do it again. G with the palm mute, D add 9, the E minor, and the C major 7th. Do it again, G, 3, and 4. And you can kind of come up and then C add, or G add, or D add 9, sorry. 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, to C, 2, 3, 4. You get a little louder on the pre-chorus here and you go B minor, 3, 4, to C, 2, 3, 4, and again B minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, full strum. And up on the and of 4, and then you do G. All right, so on your G, when you go back to G, when we do the chorus, it's the exact same chords, but we're going to do a D over F sharp, and I forgot to show you guys that in the intro here. So let's learn this D over F sharp. So it's a D chord, but we're going to move our index to the 2nd fret, 6th string. Our middle finger then is going to go to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. We're going to strum from the 6th string down, and our 3rd finger kind of mutes that 1st string, all right? You don't hear it when you strum it. And that's a D over F sharp. It's an inversion. So it's a D with the F sharp in the bass. So when we get to the chorus, same strumming, just to keep it simple. G, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, E minor, C, regular C, G, 2, 3, 4, D over F sharp, E minor, back to the verse chords, but back to palm muting. So you bring your dynamic level down to this D add 9, E minor, C major 7. And that is literally how you play the song. It's kind of I had never even heard it before, but I did like it. It's This Is How You Fall in Love. All right, so sappy love song. I'm a sucker for it. And then you just go through that over and over. So the verse is the intro. All right, it's 2 times through the G, D add 9, E minor, C, and then you got the pre-chorus, the B minor to the C twice, and then you do the chorus. You go through D, or G, D over F sharp, E minor, C. All right. You could replace the C with the C add 9 if you wanted, but I'm gonna do the regular C, and you do that twice with the full strum. And that is literally how you play this entire song. All right.